All right, guys, we're at the abandoned Andover Country Club here in Lexington, Kentucky. My mom and dad actually live out here, so technically, when I started looking at their the contract when they bought the house, they typically have ownership here, and I don't see any signs that says no fishing. So we're going to try to fish. If someone tells us to leave, we'll leave. But anyway, this was a very nice country club that what happened was they raised on their membership prices and then lost membership, and then it was very expensive to maintain it. So it ended up shutting down. I think Whitaker Bank owns it now. It's for sale, I think, for either 6 or 7 million. I can't remember. So anyway, going to try some fishing here and see how we can do. This is what's left over of the tennis courts at Andover Country Club. Kind of sad. And of course the pool area. But in business, I can tell you, my friends, things change. So you have to change with it. I hope someone takes it over and makes it better than before. You can only pray. They accumulate a lot of debt. It takes a lot to run a country club. Okay, guys. First time ever casting a line in Andover Pond. I've always I played golf here with my friends that were members, but never did fish here. First time, first cast. No luck here, so going to change spots, guys. Spot number 2. No fish on this one, guys. There's the what's left of the Andover Country Club. This is abandoned country club here in Lexington, Kentucky. So yeah, we came out here to fish. No luck fishing, but pretty cool to come out here. And I play golf here, but I've never. It's the first time fishing here. So anyway, this is the abandoned clubhouse. I sure hope someone takes it over and makes it into a really nice country club again. Okay, guys, we're at Jacobson Park. As long as I've lived here, 13 years, never used shrimp. Want to use it today? Well, that's a good thing to do. Recycle your fishing line. We're going to try it at the boat ramp and see if we can get a bite off this leftover shrimp we got from Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, fishing out in the ocean. Um, this is Jacobson Park, Lexington, Kentucky. I think June 7th, 2018. So we've moved spots. We've actually moved over to the bridge from the boat dock. See if we have any luck over here. Another great thing about Jacobson Park is it actually has a park for the kids.